Hi, this is Tracy with DIY or Bust. Let's talk about the roof. Now I'm gonna take this, let's see if I can see it. So this roof line right here is the original cabin, okay? And I am expanding that way off of the cabin, which means I have to raise my roof line and move it over to right here, which is just above the front door. So I'm extending the rafters upwards. I put in a beam right here. I have a supporting wall right here. This is above the wall that I built next to the main cabin on the Bed Bath addition. And then here are the rafters that go over to the other side. Here's another view of what I'm talking about from the inside of the cabin. So I'm standing where my toilet will be. I know, great view, right? And right here is, oops, right there is my wall. Here's the beam in the center. And this next set of rafter, I'm calling this section 1, section 2, and then that is section 3. I need to finish building, this way, I need to finish building this wall above this wall here to this edge and put one more beam in. What's really nice is that this support wall here is holding up all the weight of that rafter that's coming off here. So it's not really sitting on the beam, which means it's not sitting on the original cabin, which makes me super happy because I don't want any more weight on that cabin than absolutely needs to be necessary. Here's one more view of how I'm managing the rafters. Put this beam in straight from here, gave extra supports all the way down, 4x4 supports all the way down, and there's a footer down there. Got my knee braces, love my knee braces, and I know that's pressure treated because I have like 200 3-foot lengths of 4x4 pressure treated laying around from when I jacked up the house. So that beam's going down the center. It is supported right here. This will be within the closet wall, so that beam won't be visible anywhere. And this is just coming up, and then down. This beam is coming right down through here. And although it looks like it's sitting on this, it's not, it's sitting on this board right here. So I'm gonna add more support here, all the way down, and if necessary, a footer underneath here. However, this beam is not really carrying any weight because that rafter that's coming up this way on top is sitting on the wall that's right here. Now let's look at the kitchen. This is the beam coming down in the kitchen. This is just tacked in here. So this wall is going to be my refrigerator is gonna come right here. So I know that's not great, but my refrigerator is gonna sit in here in that section, and right here you might be able to see these pencil marks on the ground. This is a closet with a entry door here. So my refrigerator is not gonna be a big giant one. It's just me. I don't need a big party fridge. I just need something that's, 32 inches wide roughly. So I think I made the rough opening 32 inches. And so that beam will be within a wall. You can see the pencil marking there. So this will be within a wall. So that's not too bad to stick out. And then of course the rest of the kitchen will be over here. So here's the original 20 by 20 cabin, okay? And this is the addition for the bedroom bathroom. So on the very far side, you can see I've got a beam and then a beam here, and I've got this wall, which is above that wall right there, okay? This wall is braced. It's supporting the majority of this weight that's coming up. So from here to this beam, that board is not pressing down on this beam. This beam is mostly just holding this side up. So that's how little weight is being added to the old cabin, which was very important to me. I've also got some bracing here, here, and here. And if I come over here, you'll see I've got bracing this way and also on the end. This was very important. to add this bracing to ensure that nothing would move. More bracing over here and on that end. So let me know what questions you have. I got some feedback that I really love, that some people wanted to have more explanation rather than just seeing me time lapse all my stuff. So that's what I'm trying to incorporate in this video and videos going in the future. Thanks for watching.